Hello friends, welcome back to Evel's Tech. Well, I've got a very short video for you that might be actually helpful to get the list of all the applications that are installed on your system. Okay, for this all you need to do is open command prompt with admin privilege and then type the following command. The command is wmic space product space get space /format : csv space. Let's redirect the output in the file name software.csv software underscore. I use the system variable here percent computer name. Let me go back and correct the percent computer name here. Okay, computer name dot csv, then hit enter. While the output generates, I request you, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and do subscribe and leave a comment. Okay, all right. I think the command has completed, so let's go to the location C user administrator, because that is where we are running this command from. All right, so there we see the file. It's software underscore my machine name.csv. Now, since I do not have Excel installed on this machine, you do not see any icon, but I will try to open this file in a notepad just to give you a proof of the output. Okay, cool. So here's the output of all the applications that are installed on my machine. The first two lines are the headers of the output that will be well formatted in a CSV or in an Excel file. But if you read carefully, the third or fourth line onwards, it says the list of VMware tools, the GUID, where the application is actually installed and where it will be running from. Example, app data. Okay, so it gives you the entire list of the applications. Okay friends, so that is all for this video. I think you find this helpful. If yes, please do hit like and subscribe and leave a comment for any further requests. Thank you so much and have a great time ahead. Cheers, bye.